In this video, we'll try to write sine of or all the trig functions for 180 minus theta degree angles. Now, this is not a standard terminology, but for a lack of better word, I thought of calling, since they are supplementary angles for theta, I'm calling them supplement identities. Now, I want to write in terms of just theta. And here is what is important. If the angle, if you're taking 180 minus theta, magnitude wise, this is going to be same as sine theta, and cosine is, or cosine of 180 minus theta is also cosine. So these are all going to be the same. Cosecant remains cosecant, secant remains secant, and cotan remains cotan. But some of them will be negative. And which ones will be negative? We want to know where our trig functions are positive. So here is what we want to remember. In the first quadrant, all are positive. In the second quadrant, sine is positive. In the third, tan is positive. And in the fourth, cos is positive. You can remember add sugar to coffee sentence, and from there you can get that all sine, tan, and cos. And you can imagine theta to be an acute angle, then 180 minus theta falls in the second quadrant. So this is a second quadrant angle, which means sine will be positive, but cos will be negative and tan will be negative. And the reciprocal of sine will also be positive, because if sine is positive, its reciprocal will be positive. And cos and tan were negative, so their reciprocals will be negative. So those are the supplement identities. You can rewrite the trig functions for 180 degrees minus theta that way.